Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Shredder's Tutorials. Today we're going to be replacing the screen in this MSI Delta 15 A5EFK laptop. Currently I have a really bad glitch on my screen, so I've decided to replace that screen today, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. First off, it is highly recommended that you remove the battery from the laptop. That is to cause any kind of short circuit. That would be very bad for the laptop. Secondly, I recommend you get yourself an electronics repair kit. This is from A5EFK. Specifically, what we need is these little picks right here. Kind of look like guitar picks, made out of plastic, very durable. So what you're going to be doing with these is you're going to take these and you're going to shove it up to the screen, and you're going to try to just bend that to get it under to where you can pop that up. Now, these all have a double-sided adhesive tape that runs all the way around the screen, as well as this plastic snaps down to the back side as well. Now, I've already taken this thing off multiple times, so my adhesive tape is no longer good. But once you get that popped up, you can just gently pry along the sides, and you'll disconnect those clips. Now, again, I have no adhesive tape in here, so this just comes off super easy. You're going to have to pry yours a little bit, but just be very gentle, as this is a very thin piece of plastic. Just pry this down towards the bottom. And be careful here at the hinges. These hinges are attached to this front plate. The bottom side is always a little bit more durable. You pop the hinge off, and slowly and carefully snap this all the way down. You remove that hinge there, get that apart, and your screen cover comes off. Now, this is a good point to note. If you need to tighten your hinges, these are your screws here and here. I recommend you do that even if you don't think you need it. Go ahead and give it torquing anyway. Now, to take the screen out, you just want to get your finger under it, and this will just kind of pop up real easy. The only thing holding the screen in place is about 4 sticky pads in each corner of the screen, so just be very gentle as you pry that to disconnect the screen. And there we have it. Screen comes off. There's a look at the inside. Here's the back. Now, to actually take the screen apart, you're going to need to remove this little sticker right here. It's stuck to this clip. I've already pried mine off, so it's pretty easy to take off for me. You're going to have to try to scrape it with your finger to get it pulled up. And when you do this, go ahead and hold right here at that clip as you pry this up. Because when you do that, it will snap and it'll pop. This little clip here will pop up. You can pull that back, and then you just gently disconnect your screen. It's that simple. And to put the new one in, a brand new shiny screen, and to pry that clip back and very gently insert that into the slot. Make sure it's seated good, and press this down on top of it. You should hear it click on both sides. Put it down. Go ahead and put your sticker back on it. Then you lay this down gently inside your screen. Again, there's only 4 sections here that this has to go down, so it's nice and neat. And then before it's cover on, go ahead and remove that lovely screen protector. And then take your plastic covering, line this back up, and go ahead, and I like to snap my hinge down here first. Try to get that snapped on, snap in this corner, both directions, just to make sure that's seated, and then come up the side. You want to do this in one direction at a time. It makes this much easier. You can hear it snap all the way around. And once I get down here, I go back this direction, try to snap in this bottom. And then snap on this hinge down here. This one doesn't like to snap a whole lot because your wiring comes up through here. But after that, you are good to go. If you have the double-sided adhesive tape, you would like to reapply it. It does go along the inside of this thin part around here, a little bit at the bottom. You can see that when you pull it off. But up until that, we are done. Thank you for watching.